Hi everyone, my name is Taylor and I am connecting with you on behalf of the Career Center at Sacramento State. We wanted to connect to let you know that we are offering virtual services for all students and alumni. If you are interested in doing a virtual service, it will be via Zoom or over the phone. Go ahead and stay tuned and I will walk you through the process of how to do that. The first step you're going to have to take is to get on the Career Center's website. So once you are there, it is going to look a little bit like this, and I have the website linked below. So if you need the link, it is there. This is our homepage, and if you scroll down just a bit, schedule an online appointment is right here. You're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to redirect you to a page. To access this page, you are going to have to enter your MySacState username and your password. So go ahead and do that, and then you can go to this appointment scheduler. You're going to hit the type of appointment you want, which is going to be advising, the office for your appointment, which is the Career Center, and select your service, anything that most closely relates to what you're wanting to talk to the counselor about. You're going to select next. You're going to pick your location, which will be the Career Center, and then you're going to choose your staff. If you've already met with someone in the Career Center and you know who you want to meet with, great. If not, you can go ahead and pick at random, or all of our full-time staff do have a Meet Us tab on our website. If it makes you more comfortable to see the person before you're meeting with them, please go ahead and do that and then move forward with whoever you want to select. Today I'm going to select Michelle Okada for the appointment and click Next. As you can see, Michelle has about 2 appointments on Friday afternoon. If you click forward, you can see all of the appointments she has for the upcoming week. She has a ton as of right now. I'm going to select a Monday morning appointment at 9:30 a.m. and click Next. Now this is the page where it will show you all of the details for your appointment. So who is it with, why you're doing the appointment, when and what time. I do want to say this does say where the appointment is at the Career Center. I want to reiterate, this is a virtual appointment via Zoom or on the phone. Once you confirm your details, the counselor will connect with you and send you the Zoom link if you're comfortable with doing Zoom, or ask you what your preferred phone number is. If you have any comments for the staff at the time that you're making your appointment, go ahead and put them there. And then you're going to want to confirm your appointment right here. We are available via email. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Our email is careercenter@csus.edu. I have noted that below as well. We hope you all stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.